How to change country in Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your country in Google Play Store. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, then you can simply scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, then you can simply tap on general option. And now here in this section, just tap on account and device preferences. And now here, once you see the interface like this, then what you can do is simply scroll down and there you can just tap on countries or profile. And here, once you do that, you'll be prompted to see your current country and the option to switch. Now here, to switch to another country, you need a payment method from the new country. So there you can add a new card, a payment method for that country. And once your new payment method is added, the option to change country will appear. So there you can just tap it and confirm the change. And you can only change your country once per year. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.